Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn. Welcome. Tomorrow or the next day's video will be about crochet. This is just a Temu haul that I thought I'd share with you. I needed a new ruler because I have a plastic ruler that I've had for many years. And I was holding it on a stack of papers and cutting with a X-Acto knife or box cutter, and the knife slipped and right into the plastic. It didn't cut all the way through, but I mean, that's dangerous, right? And I was pretty sure that was going to happen one day. So I've seen other paper crafters use metal rulers that have cork on the back that help prevent slipping of your ruler. It was actually my knife that slipped. It hit into the side and took some chips out and went right up. Can you see that line? Yeah, that was the knife. So this is going in the garbage. And this is the one I bought from Temu to replace it. A metal one with the cork on the back. So hopefully my box cutter will not slip up on top of this and, cut me. I wasn't injured, thank goodness. All right, so that's a new ruler. I'm going to just link everything in the description box. I'm not affiliated with Temu. Okay, so here's some paper crafting stuff. I just saw these, thought, well, they look nice. They're kind of neutral. They're just blacks and whites, flowers and some sparkly. Ooh, yeah. So I thought those would be cute. Oh, flower, a rose. Nice, right? So there's different sizes. I'm just going through them now with you. First time I'm opening the package of them. Very nice. You know what I think would be cool is if you have it on, say you have a paper in your journal or whatever you're making, a card, and you could use a stencil and just brush some ink onto your page and then put your flower on, and you'd see the colors through. That would be cool, wouldn't it? Yeah, you don't have to use all one color in the back. You could use several colors. Now that's an idea. All right. So yeah. So they're pretty, I think. What do you guys think? You guys that do paper crafting. I know some of you do, and you've told me in comments, and that's awesome. All right. Even this is part of the packaging right here. You could actually use that. Or the whole thing here. The cardboard, even the little bag. Anyway, everything is a craft item. All right, so there's that. But let's look at a couple of these cat toys. Listen, the kitties have already played with them, and they like them. So there's that one. Then there's this one. Listen. When you roll them on the floor, they actually make those noises. Isn't that cute? So I'll insert a video in here of the kitties playing with these. We have 2 cats, so I got 2 of these and 2 of these. Now you're gonna play with it some more? No, Minnie's got the other pink one. She took it away. She took it away. You playing catch with yourself, Hubbles? What do you think? All right, that was the first day. The next thing is glue sticks. I bought these yellow ones previously from Temu. They work pretty good. I mean, you have to use quite a bit of the glue to make sure things glue down. So I wanted to order some more because they work decently, but they're discontinued or something. So then I found these. So I got these instead. They're both supposed to be the PVA glue right here. And that's apparently what you want for crafting, PVA. Now these said PVA on the website in the description of the product. Yes, it says PVA. So I haven't tried these out yet. And then we've had a couple of really, really nice days, like a couple. And when I say a couple, I mean two. Here in Winnipeg, Canada, this spring, it was sandal weather both days. It was just beautiful weather. But my toes are not ready for sandal weather yet. And so I bought these types of things before from Temu. These are 4 toenails, and they're not, you could use nail glue to put them on. But these are actually like my other ones I had, and I love them. They have these little sticky pads, and I find these really great to use on the back of these nails to hold them onto your real toenails, because if you bang your toe, the fake toenail does not just flick off like when you use glue. They stay on, and these toenails, from my experience last year when I bought a bunch, they stay on for 4 weeks. I believe it's 4 weeks. And then they might kind of loosen up. And even if they do kind of wiggle, you can move them back into place and just press down with your finger, and then they'll stick again for a while. Yeah, they're really cool. I don't know if you're supposed to leave them on for 4 weeks, but that's about how long they last. So these ones are actually kind of purpley. Can you see? They're actually they're like a purpley, and then they go to, like, it looks like a really dark purple. And you get 24, I believe, in each of these packs. Yes, 24. And you get a little file thing if you need to file them down. Or you can even cut them before you put them on your toenails. I mean, I've done that. Pretty, right? I think those are pretty. All right, let's look at these. Can you see them there? They're red. They're red, and they have sparklies on them. Also for toenails. And then, I love these too, like with the blue, like a teal, and then kind of a gold, and then white. Now, they're not all colored, like, they're not all fancied up like that. The smaller ones may not have all the little designs, you know. It's usually just the bigger ones, which I think is what normally nail salons have anyway. And these are blues, shades of blue with some sparkly silver. Prices were around $2 and something Canadian for each package. I mean, that is a steal of a deal. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you all tomorrow or the next day with a crochet video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.